In today's fast-paced world, the trucking industry keeps goods moving, ensuring that products reach consumers, shippers, and receivers. But behind the scenes, there are challenges that threaten this vital industry. Our mission is to engage people and raise awareness about the issues plaguing the trucking industry. Let's delve into the core problems and shed light on what's happening. One pressing issue is broker gouging, where brokers force carriers to accept loads at a loss. This unfair practice impacts the financial health of trucking companies, making it difficult for them to stay afloat. Another challenge lies in shippers taking excessive time to load trucks, resulting in drivers losing valuable hours of service. Delays in deliveries and pickups disrupt schedules. Furthermore, service centers often engage in price gouging for roadside repairs and services. This adds to the financial burden faced by trucking companies and drivers, making it harder for them to operate profitably. While truck drivers bear the weight of government regulations, multiple studies indicate that the electronic logging device, ELD, mandate, implemented in December 2017, has not decreased deaths or truck crashes in the 5 years since its implementation. According to recent data from reputable sources, including the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration, FNCSA, and the Bureau of Labor Statistics, crashes involving large trucks increased by 11% between 2017 and 2019. Just before the pandemic led to a sharp decline in 2020. Fatality rates among truckers themselves have also increased, from 23.6 per 100,000 to 28.8 per 100,000 between 2013 and 2021. These statistics challenge the initial estimations made by the FNCSA and raise concerns about the effectiveness of the ELD mandate in improving safety. The backbone of this country is a problem that needs attention. We need your help to address these issues and secure the future of the trucking industry. Together, we can make a difference. Join the movement and support the trucking industry, the lifeline that keeps goods moving across the nation. I have incorporated the statistics provided in the article to highlight the increase in trucker deaths and fatal crashes since the ELD mandate.